my mountain lab. Real Turmat, chili stew with beans. www.mymountainlab.uk. In preparation for the Cape Wrath Trail, I am trialing some expedition food from Base Camp Foods to make sure I have the tastiest, most nutritious food for my Cape Wrath expedition. I am taking a closer look at the chili stew with beans from Real Turmat. Real Turmat is a Norwegian brand with a wide variety of stews, soups and curries. The meals are freeze-dried, that gives them a very long shelf life and are super light for their content. Vacuum-packed, making them a handy, small pouch of goodness, easily fitting in your bag. They have easy tear marks above and below their ziplock, for convenience of use. Instructions: all you need to do is tear it at the top tear mark, add hot water, about 390 milliliters. Give it a good stir. Close the zipper. Wait 8 minutes. Give it another good stir. Now tear at the bottom tear mark below the zipper, or pour the content into your bowl, and enjoy. I really like this vegan meal. It really tastes like it was made at home. It's filling and satisfying, and really hit the spot after a long morning on the trail. The chili has just the right amount of spice, and the beans add a nice texture and flavor. And the fact that it's so easy to prepare, just add hot water, makes it a perfect trail meal for someone like me. I felt re-energized and ready to tackle the rest of the trail after eating the stew. It's a great source of protein and carbohydrates, which are essential for anyone who's going to be out there for hours at a time. It's a delicious, filling, and convenient meal that's perfect for anyone who needs a quick and easy source of energy on the trail. I'll definitely be packing more of these on my future adventures. This one is vegan, lactose-free and gluten-free. If you want to get your hands on some Real Turmat, please find the links in the description. If you like this video and want to see more expedition food videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.